What if I told you that the biggest reason most Americans stay broke is not because they don't earn enough money? It's because of what they do within the first 24 hours after getting paid. Think about it. Have you ever received your paycheck and felt rich for a day or two, but then somehow, a week later, you're already checking your bank balance? If that's happened to you, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you the biggest money mistake Americans make every payday, and more importantly, how to avoid it. The biggest mistake is surprisingly simple. Most people spend first and save whatever is left over. The problem is that there's usually nothing left over. Every payday, money starts disappearing almost immediately. Bills get paid, online shopping happens, food delivery orders pile up, subscriptions renew automatically, small purchases seem harmless. And before they know it, the paycheck is gone. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you got paid and moved money into savings before spending anything? Take a second and think about it. Most people don't do that. That's exactly why so many people struggle financially, even when they earn a decent income. Wealthy people tend to think differently. They don't save what's left after spending. They spend what's left after saving. That one simple shift can completely change your financial future. Imagine getting paid $3,000. Before touching the money, you move $300 into savings or investments. Now you're forced to live on the remaining amount. Over time, this becomes a habit, and habits are what build wealth. This strategy is known as pay yourself first. It sounds simple, but it has helped millions of people create financial security. Now here's another question. If an emergency happened today, could you comfortably cover a $1,000 expense without using a credit card? Be honest with yourself. A surprising number of people can't. That's why having savings isn't just about getting rich. It's about protecting yourself from life's unexpected surprises. But there's another payday mistake that quietly keeps people stuck. It's called lifestyle inflation. Every time someone gets a raise, they immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A better phone, a newer car, more expensive vacations, more monthly payments, more spending. The income goes up, but so do the expenses. As a result, they never feel financially ahead. Have you ever noticed that? You make more money than you did a few years ago, yet somehow it still feels like there's never enough left at the end of the month. That's lifestyle inflation in action. The smartest people do something different. Whenever their income increases, they increase their savings too. Even a small increase can make a huge difference over time. For example, saving just $10 a day adds up to about $3,650 in a year. Most people spend that much without even realizing it. Small daily decisions create big, long-term results. The truth is, building wealth isn't about earning millions overnight. It's about making better decisions every payday. Saving first, spending intentionally, avoiding unnecessary lifestyle upgrades, and staying consistent. So before you leave this video, I want you to think about one thing. What's the biggest